आणि त्यामुळे जेव्हा मी हा नवीन प्रस्ताव ठेवला होता की आपण सरांना होमिओपॅथीचं जागतिक आणि सध्याचं ओव्हरव्ह्यू द्यावं एक छोट्याशा प्रेझेंटेशनद्वारे, तर सगळ्यांचं असं म्हणणं होतं की मी एक 5 मिनिटं, जर कापरे सरांची आज्ञा असेल तर एक 5 मिनिटात सर आपण शेअर करेल. व्हॉट वी हॅव ऑब्झर्व्ड इन ओव्हरऑल actual practice of medicine and the popularity index. So WHO has released its Atlas, World Map Atlas in 2017, which narrates the status of various alternative medicines. Now I have deliberately picked up those pages which has lot of details specific about homeopathy. I took those information in the form of a presentation which I have handed over. ती सुद्धा कापरे सरांची कल्पना होती की सरांनी ते घरी पण घेऊन जावं. यामध्ये एक खूप चांगली बाब मला आढळली की ज्या ज्या देशांमध्ये जीडीपी जर $15,000 पेक्षा कमी आहे, म्हणजे थोडे कमी विकसित किंवा मागासलेले देश, त्या कंपॅरिझनमध्ये ज्या देशांमध्ये जीडीपी मोर दॅन $15,000 असेल, म्हणजे द कंट्रीज हू आर हॅव्हिंग जीडीपी मोर दॅन $15,000 मीन्स प्रॉस्परस, रिच, लिटरेट, एज्युकेटेड अँड डेव्हलप्ड कंट्रीज आर actually opting homeopathy more and more. Means homeopathy is very popular. When they have indexified the region wise, European region was found to be most preferring homeopathy as their primary practice of treatment than any other pathy. Although it is like alternative Atlas index, so that's why it's like second largest or second most preferred mode of treatment. When it comes according to the population, mostly, if I go to the statistics, more than 300 million people worldwide opting for homeopathy as their primary choice of treatment. So we should be actually proud of that. 300 million people worldwide opt for homeopathy. Out of that 300 million people, 100 million people are from India, because India being one of the most populous country also, but India is also having a very strong homeopathic and educational infra. So it is a holistic and individualistic approach as narrated by Kapre sir. It is popularly utilized in more than 80 countries in the world, and in 2011 a massive study by Swiss government showed that people are finding homeopathy as most cost effective than any other mode of medication. And of course homeopathy, when it is practiced by good and educated and learned homeopaths, homeopathy is almost always successful is what I feel. If you come to the world review, the legal recognition as an individual practice of medicine, 42 countries have legalized homeopathy as a individual system of medicine, and 28 countries it is practiced as an alternative medicine. Here माझी concept दूर झाली की आपण होमिओपॅथीला अल्टरनेटिव्ह समजतो. ॲक्च्युली अमेरिका सारख्या काही कंट्रीजमध्ये त्याला त्याची डिग्री नंतर तुम्ही त्याला स्वतःला ॲज अ इंडिपेंडंट डॉक्टर म्हणून प्रॅक्टिस करू शकत नाही, तुम्ही थेरपिस्ट, काउन्सिलर सारखी प्रॅक्टिस करू शकता. त्यामुळे तिथे ती अल्टरनेटिव्ह मेडिसिन आहे. पण इंडियामध्ये इट्स इंडिपेंडंट थेरपी. इफ समबडी वॉन्ट्स, वी आर प्राउडली डिक्लेअरिंग, गेटिंग रजिस्टर्ड विथ अंडर गव्हर्नमेंट रजिस्टर that we are a registered independent practitioner of a said art. So we are very legal, we are government supported, and we are actually performing. We have to be proud of. And WHO also states that homeopathy is the second most used medical system internationally. So after allopathy, any pathy if somebody is using, it is homeopathy that is being used by maximum people. And over 1 billion expenditure is people are spending for homeopathic treatment. So worldwide homeopaths are earning, and homeopathic pharmacies are earning 1 billion. It is huge economically. And also it has stated that it is growing second most widely used system of medicine worldwide. Understand world. When it comes to India, it has been supported by all the our resource people like Gandhiji, Vivekanand and all. So now the recent study in prominent metros in India has confirmed that 59% of people usually prefer homeopathy than any other mode of treatment, and 77 people actually believe that they should not opt for any other treatment. Understand the statistic, more than 2,24,279 homeopathic doctors practicing proudly in India, 7,856 government dispensaries and 207 government hospitals. Unfortunately, none of government infra does exist in Maharashtra. I want to Bhagwat sir to note that. And the market of homeopathy is 2,758 crore in India individually, and it is growing faster than Ayurveda and Unani. I have already told that 100 million people are opting for it, and the growth which is under Ayush system of medicine, the rate of increase of homeopathy, its popularity and its finances is 26%. It is huge. And all these figures, all these facts, all because of the man for whom we have gathered, our master Samuel Hahnemann. एका व्यक्तीने कितीतरी वर्ष आधी उचललेला एक आवाज एका सिस्टमच्या पेक्षा काहीतरी बेहतर करण्यासाठी, रुग्णसेवेसाठी आज इतक्या मोठ्या फिगर्सवर आपण खेळतोय, आणि त्यासाठी महत्त्वाचा माणूस म्हणजे डॉक्टर सॅम्युअल हॅनेमन. आपल्याला खरंच आपल्या मास्टरबद्दल खूप गर्व असायला पाहिजे, आपल्या पॅथीबद्दल निष्ठा असायला पाहिजे. आणि हे सगळे आकडे मी भागवत सरांना सांगण्यापेक्षा तुम्हा सगळ्यांसोबत शेअर करण्यासाठी खूप इच्छुक होते की इतके मोठे आणि स्ट्रॉंग आपण झालेलो आहोत. वी आर जायंट आणि वी शुड बी प्राऊड ऑफ अवर पॅथी अँड वी शुड ॲक्च्युअली इमेन्सली प्रॅक्टिस अवर पॅथी सोडली.